What is up, you guys? Welcome to this new video. It's Cappuccino Garage and hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm gonna be removing the turbo off the VW Bug. So start off with the intake, that easy. So I got a Turbonetics turbo. No, I'm just kidding. I got a This is the KO4 Maxspeedingrods turbo. So far it's not bad. Let's see. It spins good, no problem. It does have a little bit of shaft play. Yeah, I mean, T-Bay turbo. Don't expect much from it. Gonna remove the downpipe exhaust. So yeah, gonna remove the turbo and put you guys on the tripod so you guys can see. Alright guys, there's the downpipe. I'm gonna put it on the floor, set it down, and then remove this seal. Looks like this one went out. Alright guys, turbo is on, everything's on, connected. Hopefully there's no boost leak. Still gotta connect this. That's the Maxspeedingrods turbo. So all I gotta do is go get a jump box so I can start the Bug, and hopefully everything runs well. Alright guys, so yesterday I ran the Bug. It ran really good. I ran the Bug, it ran really good. I'll play some videos right now. I was hitting 7 psi. So yeah, this turbo is not bad for the first time. Looks good in there. And on the other turbo I was getting oil. It was all the way in here from the blow. But I mean, no problems with this one so far. Alright guys, it's late. Could barely see now. The bug is done getting washed all around. All I gotta do is vacuum it, and I'll probably do that tomorrow at work. But bug's running good, no problems. I still have to probably retune it. But anyways, thanks for watching and have a good one. Peace.